Kain po tayo. Kain po tayo ng hapunan. Ang aking pong ulam ay pampinubre. Udong. Udong. Udong with sardines. 66%. Mangkod mo mga andani kay manilami. Wa ni lami hindi mo mga an. Ngani sudan diri sa probinsya sa Bohol. Udong with sardines. Lami na kaayo. Ngani pang dato nga sudan sa probinsyang Bohol.
This is what you're talking about, Coach, the mismatch between Mitchell and Paul.
Huh?
Yes, they're going to keep going to
Saya.
at the post. And that time, Paul got him on the arm.
Makasudan naman mi
Mitchell missed the second free throw.
Bohol og sardinas. Dato na mi.
Chris McLaughlin on the bench.
Yung sa nakagnapay udong.
His defense right now against
Nami nagagkado.
it's a tough one.
Beautiful look from Blantley that time.
Ano
5.3 by the Bolts.
Ikaw.
67-58. Ajo, roller. He's back here in the third.
Yes, third floater from Andrew Karam. He just really look for that opportunity, went close to the basket, and he knows that he can hit that floater.
Ball can't find anybody. So I have to be careful. That's a silly foul from Chris Philpott.
Yes, too aggressive.
Smart.
They don't even need to steal the ball, especially if they're in penalty.
There's a timeout right here by Easter with 2:51 to go here in the third quarter. And I'll go up by 7, 65-58.
Bye-bye.